Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about Lemon8 app, and I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial that how I found a way to get free followers in the Lemon8 app. And this method I found it out is it's very simple and easy to do it, guys, and it is working for both devices. I already tested on my iPhone and my Samsung, in which I'm recording right now. And I decided to show you the steps with my iPhone today, but the same steps are working also for the Android users, okay? If you want me to make a tutorial for the Android users for any kind of reason you might have, or any problems you might feel you can have it on the process, just let me know in the comments below, guys, and I'm going to do a tutorial also for the Android users. But as I mentioned before, the steps are the same, so I hope you'll not find any difficulties or any problems to do it. But anyway, if you want me to, just let me know in the comments below and I will do it, okay? So guys, what we're going to do, first of all, we're going to open the app to show you how it looks like, and then I'll show to you from the beginning what you have to do and where you have to go in order to get it also, if you want to get it, of course. So I'm just going to open the app real quick. Okay, here we are inside of it, and I'm just going to my profile immediately, and as you can see, I completely opened a new account, just posted 2 random pictures right over here, and I got over 2k of followers immediately with this trick. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can do it also, you guys. So before you start the loading process of this mod, which will generate the followers in your app, you just need to make a few changes in the settings before you start, which it means that you need to go to settings. If you did this before, guys, you don't have to do it again. We go to the settings, okay, to the general, scroll it down to background up refresh again. Make sure you're gonna select Wi-Fi and mobile data. This is important so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection, okay? So the whole process can be done correctly, okay? So after you complete the first one, or you check the first one, better to say, you just scroll it down to the battery, and if you are using a lower power mode, make sure you're gonna switch it off, guys, before. After you finish the whole process, you can come back and switch it on again if you like to have lower power mode active, okay? So these steps that I already mentioned to you right now, they are required just for the iOS users. For the Android users, there is no need to make any changes in the settings, guys. All you need to do, you just need to go straight to your internet browser. Now for both devices, you just need to go in searching bar and search about this website. I'm going to type to you and focus it immediately. Here we are. Go to this website. You just need to enter inside of it. Just a few seconds to get connected with the main page. As you can see, we are inside already. You just go immediately to the searching bar on the top, write the name of the app. Okay, here we are. And you just need to press in the middle and then press the green sign of downloading. It will start the loading process of this mod, which in the end of this process, it will install the mod and generate the followers on your Lemon8 app. So guys, this is my video tour for the day. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. So I just need to mention to you, because of the region where you can live, it might require any extra step in the end. If it's going to happen, just complete what is required, you're going to be able to get it also, the mod, okay? Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.